The ultimate synthetic wig maintenance guide. Let's take this wig from this to this. I'll be sharing how I recurl this wig, how I keep it bouncy, and more tips on maintenance. Oh, so sister. Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Yes, please do subscribe and like this video. I would appreciate it so much. So these are the products you are going to need. I wish I knew this earlier. Detangling spray. If you do not have detangling spray, you can use fabric softener, and then the anti-frizz spray, although this is optional. And then you are going to need dry shampoo or baby powder. We'll get into that. And then the thinning shear scissors. Let's get straight into it. As you can see, this hair is tangled. It is looking not so good. Starting off by spraying the detangling spray. Like I said, if you do not have the detangling spray, you can use the fabric softener. If you have both, you can use both. It's even better. So I am brushing the hair through step by step. By the way, I have full details on this wig right here on my channel. If you want to know the specs, how much it was, and everything about this wig, you can go check out that video, please. So I follow up with the fabric softener. What it does, it softens the hair, because this is synthetic hair. It is like plastic, it is like a material. So the fabric softener helps to soften the hair, to make it nice and bouncy. Yes, and also makes it smell good. So when I'm done detangling, I go in with the flexi rods. As you can see, it is an easy step. You just twist the hair around your flexi rod. When I'm on the left, I twist towards the right. And when I will be on the right side, I will twist towards the left. You will see that. It helps to give us those voluminous curls, because the curls are going in opposite directions. And then when I'm done twisting, I decided to add in a rubber band to make sure that it holds, because I put a lot of hair in one rod. But I then alternated to use this rubber band. So you can use any kind of rubber bands. I got these ones from Shein. So this is what I was saying. Now I am twisting towards the left side, as you can see. And it is really an easy step. You can do more sections if you like. I am only going to do 6 sections, which you will see shortly. Again, when I'm done, I fasten the bottom to make sure that it is secure and move on to the next sections. So I am going to put that in hot water. I first start by pouring fabric softener and then make sure it is mixed well. The hair is going to sit in that hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then from there I will let it air dry. To make sure that the hair is fully dry, I let it air dry for 2 days or more. I don't rush the process. Speaking of process, to make sure that this is quicker for you, you can avoid putting the wig in boiling water and simply use your steamer, your clothing steamer. It works wonders and it is quicker. Anyway, this was a takedown, and this is how the curls are looking. I am going to brush them out because I definitely don't want them to look like that. And how you brush them out is entirely up to you. You can brush them a little, you can brush them a lot to have more bouncy curls. It is simply up to you. I don't know about you, but I am already loving the bounciness. Do you see how the comb is going through nicely? But I like to go in with the pedaling brush to smoothen out the curls. So when I use it, I like to twist the hair. I brush and twist. I hope you understand and see what I'm saying. I brush and twist as I go. Brush and twist until I reach the end, and it gives me a nice uniform curl like this. Basically less frizz on the hair. And also to help tame the frizz, I am going in with this anti-frizz spray. Just spray it through through and then follow up with the dry shampoo, because the anti-frizz can give that shine, a bit of shine. And one thing about my synthetic wigs, I do not want to see shine, so the dry shampoo helps with that. If you do not have dry shampoo, you can use a baby powder, it also works. But these are the results, guys. I am so happy now that I look at it. I am actually very, very happy. At the time I was a little disappointed because I was trying to achieve the original state of the hair, those curls. Do you see how loose those curls are? That's what I wanted. And so when I saw the results, I was like, not really. But afterwards I warmed up to it and I love them. And then when I go to bed, this is what I use, the curling rod method. Just put my hair in this curling rod. I got this curling rod from Mr. Price. You can also get it from Shein or Temu. There's many options, even on Take-A-Lot. But if you do not have the curling rod, you can use the sock method. Guys, there's always alternative. If you don't have something, think and see, what can I use as an alternative? One thing about me, I will think of an alternative and use it. Okay, nothing's gonna stop me. But I like them better even the next day when I used the curling rod. It sort of stretches the curls nicely. It gives them volume. There's something about the curling rod that works nicely for me. Try it and see how it comes out. It also helps to make sure that your hair is not tangled, you know. This is about 2 weeks later and I was like, let me attempt to achieve that loose curl pattern that I wanted. So I'm just going in with the detangling spray to detangle the hair, and then I'll be using the blow dryer brush. I was trying to get rid of the curl pattern that was already there. That's why I was using the blow dryer. And then I am going in with the shear scissors to help me with the flyaways, or what we call frizz. I remember on my video when I was sharing about the wig that the only thing I don't like about this hair is the frizz. But girl, I found a way to tame the frizz, to tame the flyaways. So how this scissor works, it doesn't really cut the hair, but it helps to cut the uneven hair. I can't explain it, girl, but that's how it is designed. As you saw, one side of the scissor has the tooth comb, one side doesn't, and it works to help with the extra hair, uneven hair. As you see, that's all the hair that I got rid of. Once I'm done blow drying and using my shear scissors, I just use my Velcro rollers, starting from the bottom, rolling all the way up. It is as easy as that. So I am going to use pegs to hold the hair, because the clips that came with the rollers, some are broken, some I don't know where they are. So like I said before, alternative, the pegs even hold better. Okay, again, there's no rules how many sections you are going to make. You will do what feels right for you and what looks right, and you learn as you go. Exactly what I'm doing. And I believe the less sections you do, the more voluminous the hair comes out. So I think I did about 7 sections. I'll verify now with you when I am done here. I believe so. So it's 2 at the back, 2 in the middle, and 3 in the front. So with the rollers, I didn't want to take them off the canvas head and disturb what I already created. So I just poured hot water over the canvas head as it is, and I let the hair dry for 2 days again while on the canvas head, and it worked out fine. So what I was saying about the steamer, if you have the steamer, this step of boiling the hair, you would skip it. You would use the rollers. Right after using the rollers, while the rollers are in place, you would just use the steamer and wait maybe 15 minutes, and afterwards take them down. I really can't wait to try the steamer process and show you guys. But this is how the hair came out, and I was already happy because I am seeing that loose curl. I didn't want that curl that we had previously. So this is exactly what I ordered, and this is exactly what I wanted. And I just combed through the hair from the bottom all the way up and style as desired. Now this was giving close to what the hair originally looked like. So it means the next time I try this method, I will perfect it, as this was my first time trying this method and I was happy, girl. I was happy. If there's one thing that will kill us as ladies, it's this wig bend things. Hypo. I plan to turn this wig glueless because I don't like the lace. I've been cutting it and there's no point of me gluing it down, honestly. But otherwise, I'm happy with the hair. I'm loving the bounce. I think I sort of nailed it, close enough to the original state. Let me know, ladies, what do you think? Ladies, do we like this updo hairstyle? As for me, I am really loving it. It's such an elegant hairstyle and a nice way to make sure your hair doesn't really disturb you on certain days, you know. But girl, thank you so much for watching this video and staying till this far. I really appreciate While you. I'm not wearing the wig, I decided to keep this wig in this curling rod and see what it will give on the day I decide to wear it. I think it will give bouncy, nice curl. I will definitely update you. Remember, wig details are on my channel. Check out the video. Thank you.